Hello guys, in today's video I'm just about to reveal to you an amazing strategy that you could use to get a lot of leads to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, we're going to be leveraging two platforms right here, which is actually the InVideo right here and also YouTube Shorts. So we're going to be showing you how you could promote your CPA marketing offers on YouTube Shorts just by utilizing InVideo right here with CPA Grip. So with that being said guys, let's just simply jump right into this video, as this video is going to be 100% free strategy. It's also going to be, guys, a beginner friendly strategy, meaning that even as a beginner you can actually start using this strategy and start making some cool cash doing so. So with that being said guys, let's just jump right ahead into today's video. So first things first guys, get in mind a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. I'm going to be using the CPA Grip right here. And guys, if you don't have an account, it's quite easy. You don't need to bother. Just come right here, click on register, and you'll be brought to this page right here. Just simply go on to filling out this form, fill out the details that are actually having this red asterisk signs. You could neglect the sections that are not having that sign and go on to agreeing to the terms of services. Make sure you do check out all these boxes right here. Click on register now and you create your account right here. But guys, it is important that you do focus more on this publisher type. You want to make sure you select either the website like Insent or the GPT, and because that's actually going to help you get your account activated almost immediately. So once your account has been activated, you can then log into your account and be brought to a dashboard such as this. Right now guys, to select offer, just come right here, click on my offers, and if you do click on that, you'll be shown offers to a specific demographic. You could go on to changing that particular demographic right here. I'm just going to select offers to the United States demographic, and I'll be shown a lot of offers available to this demographic right here. So you can see some offers right now. I could just simply select any of this offer, such as this particular offer right here, which is this one right here, which is for a gift card giveaway, or a giveaway right here, not necessarily a gift card, which you can actually spend towards your Stomach Star. And you can see the respective amount of this gift card right here. You can see more details to this offer, which is an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer. The payout to this offer is $2.31. Here's your unique affiliate link which you could use to promote this offer. So once this page right here has actually been set right now, you just want to leave this page open and head on to this platform called InVideo. And if you do head on to the InVideo.io right now, you just want to make sure you do go on to creating cool and amazing video with this help of this AI tool. And you could create videos right here by turning your text into videos right there, and those videos guys can actually be on any niche of your choice. You may focus on any niche of your choice right there, but you want to make sure that you do focus on something right now, which is making sure that those videos are actually in line with the YouTube Shorts requirements, which are actually to be less than 60 seconds long right here. As you can see, YouTube Shorts can be up to 60 seconds long in length, but it is better it's less than 60 seconds long. So you want to just simply go into creating a simple short video right there with the help of InVideo right now for YouTube Shorts, and you want to make sure that our video is actually in the portrait version. As you can see, all these videos right here are actually portrait, and you can then just simply go into creating that with the help of InVideo. So how do you do that? You want to just simply go into creating an account. It's pretty easy to do that right now. Once you create an account, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. Right now I'm just going to click on the AI text video, and once I do click on that guys, I'll be shown some suggested templates which I can actually make use of. Let me just simply take use of this particular template right now. And right here guys, you want to make sure you do come right here, click on portrait, and if you do click on the portrait aspect ratio guys, just simply go on to clicking on use template. And if you do that right now, as you can see, the page is actually loading up. So once this page loads up successfully guys, you'll be brought to this section right now. So you could just simply come right here and ask the AI to write something about this particular script. You could generate a script with the help of this AI tool, or you could just simply come right here if you already have your script paste in that particular section. If you want to convert an article to a video right here, you could just simply paste in the URL to that article right in this section. So guys, you may use any of this particular strategy right now to create a video on InVideo. But what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to take advantage of this AI tool right here called the ChatGPT. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube Shorts video script on a video titled The Benefit of Workout. And if I do click on enter right now guys, you can see right here that ChatGPT has actually begun writing this particular script for me, and I could just simply go on to copying this script and making use of this particular script right now. So right now guys, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go on to copying this script, And once I do copy the script, it looks quite lengthy right now, but I'm just going to do something later on. Once I copy the script, I'm going to head back to InVideo and come right here to paste in that particular script. So all this section that you're actually seeing voiceover right now, you just want to go on to removing that right here. The section which you do see about the scene, remove that also. So this section which says voiceover, I'm just going to come right here and remove that. Even this section right here. So guys, you can see right now I've actually gone on further to edit this, and you can see how cool and amazing it looks like. It looks quite short right now. So once it is actually done, guys, I'm just going to come right here, click on create scene, and right now I'm just going to click on yes right here. And once it actually does that, I'm going to go on to clicking on create scene once more. So once I do click on create scene, as you can see, it's setting up my project, and it's actually going to help me create a storyboard for my project right now. So I'm just going to pause this video until it's done creating that. So right now, guys, you can actually see that my storyboard has actually been created. What I'm going to do right now is that I'm actually just going to scroll through my storyboard right now, and you can actually see right here that this AI tool actually went on to creating a video for each of the storyboards right there, and you can actually see the duration of this particular video right here, which is about 5 minutes long right here. But guys, since a YouTube short is actually very short right now, I think I'm just going to come right here and reduce this particular description right here. Maybe you just want to reduce it to actually give it a bullet point right there. So right here, guys, you can see the entire duration to the video right here is about 1 minute 9 seconds, and I can actually go to reducing that based on my preference right here, just by reducing the duration of the scene. You could reduce the duration of each scene right there to your own preference right there by editing that particular scene. So once you actually do that, guys, and you reduce that particular video to something less than a minute long, you just want to just simply come right here. Maybe if you don't like the video for that scene, you could come right here to the video section to actually select a video right there which you could use for that scene. You could also search for keywords right here which you could use right now and select some specific type of videos right there. You could do the same thing for the images section. You could come right here to those upload section to either upload a video or background music from your device. You could add in background music via the music section right here, or you could also add in voiceovers. You could add in text, you could add in logos, elements, and templates right here. So once you're actually done with this particular page right now, you just want to just simply go on to downloading this particular video on your device by just simply clicking on download. And once you click on download, guys, you'll be able to download this stuff right down on your device. So right now, guys, once this has been downloaded, you want to head on to platforms like canva.com. So once you head on to Canva, you just want to go on to clicking on the video, and you want to simply click on mobile video. And guys, what you're actually going to create right now is that you also want to do something similar to this, right? Like how I did right here. You could just simply upload that particular video by going on to upload, click on upload files, and actually upload that video right here on Canva. Then once you upload that video, you could just simply add in a text right here, like how I did in this section. Add in a text, let them give away in video description. So once you do put in something like this right now, you're actually gathering a call to action right here, because this particular text is going to show throughout the entire video. So once you do put in something like this right now, you just want to come right here, download the video, and actually download that on your device by clicking on download, and you could just go on to downloading this video. Then right now, guys, you could just simply head onto this platform called the YouTube and go on to uploading this video. And how do you upload this video? Click on this plus icon, and you want to just simply go on to clicking on upload video. So once you do click on upload video right now, guys, you can actually go on to uploading this particular video on YouTube. So if you do click on select file right now, guys, you can actually go on to selecting the exact file which you want to upload right here. Supposing I want to upload this video, I'm just going to select that video and click on open. And you can see right now, guys, that it's going to go on to analyzing that video. All you actually have to do right now is just simply put in a simple description right here via this description section. You just want to put in something like that particular link to that CPA marketing offer. I could just simply come right here and just simply put in something like giveaway. So if I put in something like giveaway right now, guys, I'm just going to come right here, click on putting something like colon, and I'm just going to put in something like this right now. I'm going to head onto this platform called CPA Group to get that CPA marketing offer which you actually want to promote. Copy the link, then head onto this platform called the tinyurl.com to actually help us shorten that lengthy URL. So once I paste in the link to my CPA group offer, click on shorten URL, and I'm just going to come right here, copy the particular link right now, and actually head back to YouTube right there to put that particular link right here. So once you do paste in this right now, guys, you just want to go on to following the necessary upload process to upload that particular video on YouTube as a YouTube short, because that video right there is having a call to action that will actually drive a lot of people to this particular offer. So this is a cool strategy which you want to use right now and drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, just smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching, guys. See you in my next video, and goodbye.